I'm making another video because I can. And I know how you people were asking me last time, Harley, can you burp without water or anything to drink? Well, yes I can. Just give me a second. Set this camera somewhere. Okay, I'll just do it like this. I have to hold it. Are you ready for this, ladies and gentlemen? Another recording of Z burping. Well, here I go. Ooh, that one burned. Okay. Okay. Try it again. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Okay. Well, there's your proof that I don't need a drink to burp. In my last video had me with blonde hair in it. Now I have black hair and it looks a little longer, if you don't remember me. But yeah. Peace.